Specular reflection with example. Specular reflection is a concept in computer graphics that refers to the reflection of light from a surface in a single, concentrated direction, giving the surface a shiny appearance. Here are some key points to consider when working with specular reflection in computer graphics. Specular reflection is proportional to the surface normal, the light direction, and the view direction. The intensity of specular reflection depends on the angle between the surface normal, the direction of incoming light, and the direction that the camera is facing. The more perpendicular the surface normal is to the light direction, and the more the view direction aligns with the reflection direction, the more intense the specular reflection will be. Specular reflection models the smoothness of surfaces. Specular reflection models how smooth or rough a surface is. A smooth surface will reflect light in a single direction, while a rough surface will scatter light in many directions, reducing the intensity of the specular reflection. Specular reflection is affected by the color of the surface. The color of the surface affects how it reflects light. A white surface, for example, will reflect more light of all colors than a dark surface. Specular reflection is modeled using the Phong reflection model. The Phong reflection model is a widely used model in computer graphics for simulating diffuse and specular reflection. It takes into account the diffuse reflection term, the specular reflection term, and the ambient reflection term to create a more realistic representation of surfaces. Example. Consider a shiny metal ball lit by a white light source. The specular reflection of the ball will depend on the angle between the surface normal, the direction of incoming light, and the direction that the camera is facing. The ball will appear brighter where the surface normal is perpendicular to the light direction and the view direction is aligned with the reflection direction, and darker where the angle is smaller. The color of the ball will also affect the specular reflection, with more light being reflected from a white surface than a dark surface. Like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.